Blissful Boost presents Eat oatmeal daily and see the shocking effects on your body. All right, let's talk oatmeal. You might think it's just a bowl of mushy stuff you eat in the morning, but hold on to your spoon because there's a lot more to it. Oatmeal isn't just some boring breakfast. It's like a superhero in disguise. This little bowl of oats can do wonders for your body, from giving you the energy of a superhero to keeping your heart in tip-top shape. We're about to dive into 7 amazing things this affordable and versatile grain can do for you. So let's get started. Number 1, the Fiber Fix, your body's personal cleanup crew. Let's start with fiber because, honestly, fiber is like the unsung hero of nutrition. Imagine fiber as your body's personal cleanup crew. It goes through your system, sweeping up all the junk you don't need and making sure everything is working smoothly. And when it comes to fiber, oatmeal is a superstar. Oatmeal is loaded with something called beta-glucan, which is a special type of soluble fiber. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about this beta-glucan? Well, let's put it this way. Beta-glucan is like a sponge. It soaks up water in your gut, making everything move along easily. No more feeling like you've got a brick in your stomach. Instead, everything flows like a well-oiled machine. But here's the real magic. Beta-glucan helps you feel full. Yep, that's right. When you eat oatmeal, that fiber expands in your tummy, making you feel satisfied for longer. This means fewer snack attacks and less of that "I'm starving" feeling an hour after breakfast. So if you want to keep those hunger pangs at bay and avoid the temptation of that mid-morning donut, oatmeal is your new best friend. Number 2, Heart Health Hero, your heart's best buddy. Next up, let's talk about your heart. You know that little engine in your chest that keeps everything running smoothly? Well, oatmeal is like a trusty sidekick that helps your heart stay strong and healthy. You've probably heard of cholesterol, right? It's that pesky stuff that can build up in your arteries and cause all sorts of trouble, like heart disease. But here's the good news. Oatmeal is like a broom for your arteries. The beta-glucan fiber in oats actually binds to cholesterol and helps sweep it out of your body before it can cause any harm. Think of it as giving your heart a nice, deep clean every morning. And it doesn't stop there. Oatmeal also has these cool antioxidants called avenanthramides. Try saying that 5 times fast. These antioxidants are like little bodyguards for your heart. They help relax your blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow and reducing your risk of heart problems. So, by eating oatmeal every day, you're basically giving your heart a daily dose of TLC. Number 3, Energy Boost, fuel for your day. Ever feel like you're dragging your feet by 10 a.m.? You're not alone. But guess what? Oatmeal can help with that too. Think of oatmeal as the fuel your body needs to keep going strong all day long. Oatmeal is packed with B vitamins, which are like the spark plugs for your body's engine. These vitamins help turn the food you eat into energy, giving you the get up and go you need to tackle whatever the day throws at you. Whether it's a big meeting, a workout, or just keeping up with the kids, oatmeal has got your back. But here's the really cool part. Oatmeal has a low glycemic index, which is a fancy way of saying it releases energy slowly and steadily. That means no more sugar crashes or feeling like you need a nap at your desk. Instead, you get a nice, steady stream of energy that keeps you powered up all day long. So, if you want to stay sharp and focused, oatmeal is your secret weapon. Number 4, skin's best friend, glow from the inside out. All right, let's talk about something we all care about. Our skin. Who doesn't want clear, glowing skin, right? Well, believe it or not, oatmeal can help with that too. Yep. This little grain is like a spa treatment in a bowl. Oatmeal is full of antioxidants, which are like the body's cleanup crew for your skin. They help fight off the bad stuff, like pollution and sun damage, that can make your skin look tired and dull. These antioxidants work to keep your skin looking fresh and youthful, like you just came back from a relaxing vacation. But that's not all. Oatmeal also has anti-inflammatory properties, which is a fancy way of saying it can calm down irritated skin. If you've ever dealt with redness, eczema, or just sensitive skin in general, oatmeal can help soothe things down. It's like giving your skin a big, comforting hug. And here's something you might not know. Oatmeal can actually help protect your skin from the sun. While it's no replacement for sunscreen, the antioxidants in oatmeal can provide an extra layer of defense against harmful UV rays. So, by eating oatmeal every day, you're not just nourishing your body, you're also giving your skin a little extra love from the inside out. Number 5. The weight management wonder. Stay fit and full. If you're trying to watch your weight or just want to maintain a healthy figure, oatmeal is a game changer. Remember that fiber we talked about earlier? Well, it's back, and this time it's here to help you stay full and satisfied, which is key when you're trying to manage your weight. When you eat oatmeal, the beta-glucan fiber swells up in your stomach, making you feel full for longer. This means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or overeat at your next meal. It's like having a built-in portion control mechanism that keeps you on track without feeling deprived. But that's not all. Oatmeal is also low in calories but high in nutrients, which means you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. It's filling, nutritious, and doesn't weigh you down with extra calories. So, if you're looking to slim down or just keep things in check, oatmeal is the perfect breakfast to help you reach your goals. Number 6. Long-term wellness. Invest in your future health. Now, let's talk about the long game. Sure, oatmeal has a ton of immediate benefits, but what about down the road? Well, here's the thing. Eating oatmeal every day isn't just good for today. It's an investment in your future health. One of the biggest long-term benefits of oatmeal is its ability to lower your risk of heart disease. We've already talked about how oatmeal can help lower bad cholesterol, but it's worth repeating because this is a big deal. By keeping your cholesterol levels in check, you're reducing your risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other serious heart problems. It's like building a strong foundation for a healthy heart that will last for years to come. But that's not all. Oatmeal also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is especially important if you're at risk of diabetes. The slow release of energy from oatmeal means your blood sugar stays stable, avoiding those big spikes and crashes that can lead to insulin resistance over time. By eating oatmeal regularly, you're helping to keep your blood sugar in check and lowering your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. And let's not forget about the antioxidants in oatmeal. These little powerhouses help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in your body, which can lower your risk of chronic diseases like cancer and neurodegenerative disorders. So, by making oatmeal a daily habit, you're not just eating for today, you're eating for a healthier, happier future. Number 7. Digestive health. Keep things running smoothly. We've touched on this a bit already, but it's worth diving a little deeper into how oatmeal can help keep your digestive system running smoothly. After all, a happy gut is key to a happy life. The beta-glucan fiber in oatmeal acts like a sponge in your digestive tract, soaking up water and helping everything move along at a steady pace. This means no more feeling bloated or uncomfortable after meals. Instead, you get regular, smooth digestion that keeps you feeling light and energized. But there's more to the story. The fiber in oatmeal also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which are essential for a healthy digestive system. These friendly bacteria help break down food, absorb nutrients, and even support your immune system. So, by eating oatmeal every day, you're giving your gut the tools it needs to stay healthy and strong. So there you have it, a deep dive into all the incredible benefits of eating oatmeal every day. From keeping your heart healthy and boosting your energy to helping you stay full and managing your weight, oatmeal is truly a nutritional powerhouse. And the best part? It's affordable, versatile, and easy to prepare. You don't need to break the bank to eat healthy, and oatmeal is proof of that. It's one of the most budget-friendly superfoods out there, which means you can enjoy all these amazing health benefits without emptying your wallet. Whether you enjoy it as a warm bowl of porridge, in a smoothie, or baked into your favorite treats, oatmeal is a simple yet powerful way to take care of your body. So, the next time you're wondering what to have for breakfast, reach for the oats. Your heart, your gut, your skin, and your future self will all thank you. And remember, the journey to better health starts with small, everyday choices, like choosing oatmeal for breakfast. Want more? Watch our next video by clicking here.